Fintopio Airdrop could be the next dog coin. There is a high chance that Fintopio Airdrop could worth thousands of dollars because Fintopio has utility unlike other Telegram bots where you just have to be playing only video games. Fintopio is a Web3 crypto wallet that offers seamless crypto transaction in sending and receiving crypto. You can store all your cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and trade P2P on Fintopio platform. You see why I said that Fintopio is better than other Telegram bots out there where you just have to be playing video games. You have a lot of utility and what could make Fintopio Airdrop to be huge. You have the opportunity to mine Cryptopio as an early user and get rewarded. A lot of people missed out on Notcoin and Dogcoin Airdrop. Guys, do not miss out on Fintopio Airdrop. Their CEO, Steve Milton, is an ex-VP of Binance and he has lots of years of experience in the blockchain technology. He has about 183,000 followers on Twitter. Guys, Fintopio is not a fly-by-night airdrop. Over 5 million people has participated already in just few months of launching Fintopio. In this video, I'll be showing you how to tap on your Fintopio Asteroid Diamond. I will also be showing you how to set up your wallet and other things you can do on Fintopio platform. Before we start, please like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and welcome to Deep Tutors. My name is John Bosco. Once you click on the link in the description to sign up with Fintopio, you will get here where you have to claim your bonus. And for you to earn more HP, Fintopio token is called HP. For you to earn more HP every single day, you are meant to just launch your Fintopio app. Once you launch it, you just claim your token. I'm going to be showing you other things you need to do. So once you get there, just click on take bonus. Let me do it right away. As you can see, I've taken the bonus right away. So there are so many things you can do here. You can create wallets, you can swap, you can do different other things. You can also do some tasks. The link will be in the description if you want to sign up with Fintopio. So if you click on wallet, let's say for example, you don't have a wallet. You know the way you create Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or Exodus Wallet, any kind of wallet, you just have to create it. And you can see right there on top, these Fintopio support both DeFi and CeFi. Guys, this is just amazing. This is why I love Fintopio, because the utility is just amazing, whereby that you can create a decentralized wallet the way you create on Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or Exodus Wallet, or any other kind of decentralized wallet. Another thing again that they will be launching very soon is their CeFi. Now, CeFi is where you can connect your centralized wallet like Binance, Bybit, BitGet, and so many other centralized exchanges. You can actually see what you here on the CeFi. You can see P2P capability. This is amazing, whereby that in the future they will be doing P2P transaction in Fintopio wallet. So let's go ahead to create the wallet if you want to. So just click on create. Very simple. You just click on I understand it. Remember the way you create Tonekeeper or different other wallets. You know, you can just click on I'll do that later if you want to store your phrase key. But I suggest you store your phrase key outside of Telegram, because why? If, for example, you lose your Telegram account and you have some funds there, you can't really access it. But if you have your phrase key, you can actually access it with other decentralized wallets. Just click on done. You can see we have actually created our Fintopio wallet. You can see Fintopio token is called hold. You can see we don't have anyone at the moment. We can click on farm, so you can actually be getting your daily reward. Like the farm works every 7 hours. You could just come and claim it. I'll still show you how to do that. So let's go back to wallet. So this is how it works. Very simple, where you can actually store your cryptocurrency, or your Bitcoin, Ethereum, any kind of cryptocurrency of your choice. And also you can also store your NFT as well right there. You can see the option of swap. The swap option is not working at the moment. This is just a new project that just launched. It's going to be amazing, I can tell you guys. It's going to be amazing because these people have a roadmap. They have what they want to achieve. unlike you coming to play video games. So you can click on app. On this app, this is for people who want to buy cryptocurrency using their, maybe you have a credit card or you have a debit card. You can actually use it here, but I don't actually recommend this unless you know what to do. This is when you can actually use this option. This is a third party, companies or platforms where you can buy cryptocurrency, maybe USDT or Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency of your choice. I recommend you doing P2P. I have a video that talks about how to do P2P transaction on Bybit. You can check the link in the description to see that video. So I don't recommend this. So if you click on Fintopio, you can actually see this is like Trust Wallet, what you do in Trust Wallet. So let's click on that diamond for you to know what you'll be doing every time in Fintopio. So let's click on the diamond. Once you click on the diamond, you will see the Asteroid diamond there. Now this is the Asteroid diamond. You can click on Boost. Let me start with the Boost. Boost means you want to buy if you have Telegram stars, but I don't recommend this. Buying Telegram star will cost you money. For you to if you have 1,500 stars, you can actually buy something that will automatically claim your token for you without you going to launch the app and doing it by yourself manually. But you don't need to do this because this will cost you money and I don't recommend it. So do not do this. So once you click on it, so what next? Let's go to the inventory. This inventory is a different diamond, but you actually get there in levels. You actually get there in levels with time. So let's go to the next one, which is their store. I think their store is coming soon. Yeah, it's still a new project and a lot of people have opportunity right now to take advantage of this. So once you click on the diamond, this is what you should be doing on the diamond. It's just for you to be tapping this diamond. Now, the first time you're going to tap this diamond, you're going to be coming back to it every 1 hour. Now, this diamond, you have to be tapping it in the first 10 minutes of each hour. And as you are tapping it, you get to a level whereby that they will tell you to be careful on how you are tapping it unless you break the gem. You're not meant to break the gem. Once you get that message, you will just start tapping it little by little. Once you start tapping little by little, you will see that gem. Now, that gem will give you more HP because if you want to be doing farming can only give you 50 HP, which is not a lot. But if you find that gem, you could end up to 3,000 HP, 2,500 HP, and so on. So let's click on it to see how it works. Let me just tap it. Let me just tap it fast until I receive the message. We'll now start doing it gradually. Let's do it fast. You can see, attention, don't break the gem. So when you get this kind of message, you just have to gradually do it. So let's do it again. Once you get this message, just gradually be tapping on it after a few minutes so that you can actually get the gem. You don't need to do it very fast, just gradually until you have access to the gem so you can have more HP token. Let me just be doing it gradually because if you break it, that means you have to come back another hour to try again. So that's just the disadvantage, but it's not still bad. Let's be doing it. Oh, you can see I just lost a point. I broke the gem. You can see. So, but it's fine. I need to come back in. You can see the countdown has already started. But before then, let me show you other things you can actually do with this platform. You can click on crew. If you click on crew, you can actually recruit more people by bringing in your friends and family. You can earn more HP token from there. And if you want to sign up, check the link in the description for you to sign up. As you can see, this particular account, I've never invited anybody. Then if you click on task, you can actually see the tasks you need to perform. You can also see farming there. Now let me click on farm. Once you click on farm, after 7 hours, you come and claim it. You can see it's counting down. So you just have to set a timer. After 7 hours, you come and claim it. You can just do all of these things and you could just get rewarded by following the CEO on Twitter. You could just have 20,000 HP token, and you can actually see other things you can actually do to earn more HP token. So let's check other things. If there's another thing here, you can actually see a lot of people actually doing this. You can see this particular person has actually invited about 9,250 people. You can see, and this person has 364 million HP token, guys. You can see a lot of people are taking advantage of this already. So for me, I think this can be the next dog coin. So do not miss it. You can see the first person, the second person, and the third person. So this is people who are top in referring people here. So this is it. So let's try it again to see if we can actually get HP token. Let's see if we can get it this time. But if you break it, don't worry, you can come back again and redo it. Let's see until we receive the message, we can stop. So this is the gem right here. You can actually see we have earned 3001 HP. You can actually see the next gem mining will be starting in 57 minutes. So this is how it works. So it's so simple. All you need to do, just once you get that message, just gradually tap on it. Gradually, maybe after 4 seconds you tap, after 4 seconds you tap, just gradually until you get the gem and you'll be rewarded with HP token. You know, this doesn't really consume your time. You just do it at your own pace. So guys, I'll also be updating you guys the other updates coming from Fintopio. Just stay connected, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and like the video. You can also join my Telegram by clicking the link in the description. See you in another video.